Okay, so we've learned how to use the big complicated table of metric to metric, and we've practiced it a bit with one-step problems and with two-step problems. But what we haven't done is mixed that with some English. So let's say that we start out with milligrams and then we go to kilograms. So that's going to involve all this stuff. But then let's say we want to end up at pounds. So I'm just going to take, let's say 433 milligrams to pounds. Now, the metric to metric sheet, I'll have to pick this piece of paper up and turn it around and stuff. So if you need help on that, please refer to one of the earlier videos. I'm just going to go with what I've written down here. So in order to do this, we are starting out with 433 milligrams. We're turning it into a fraction by putting it over 1, and then we're multiplying it with something that has milligrams in the denominator because of milligrams up here. Now we can't go, okay, so you may think, what in the world are we going to do? Milligrams to pounds? I can't do that. But look, I can go kilograms to pounds. Can I go milligrams to kilograms? No, but I know how to do that with one little layover. So I'm going to go milligrams to grams. Grams up here, grams down here. Grams to kilograms. And then finally, I can go kilograms to pounds using this little conversion. So as far as milligrams and kilograms, I'm going to go up here. So 1 is next to the prefix, remember that. So 1 milligram is 10 to the negative third grams. Again, 1 is next to the prefix. So 1 kilogram is equal to 10 to the third grams. And now for kilograms and pounds, right here it says 1 kilogram is equal to 2.205. Sorry, I just need to focus it. 2.205 pounds. Okay, and so then milligrams cancels with milligrams. Grams cancels with grams. Kilograms cancels with kilograms. And that leaves us with an answer in pounds. Now we just need to crunch the numbers. So we are going to open up parentheses and then multiply all this, close it, divide, open it back up, multiply all this, close it. And as I've said in previous videos, you may know how to do a shortcut. You may want to try a shortcut where you just multiply these two, hit enter, divide this, hit enter, and multiply by that. That's fine. I'm aiming toward the students who aren't comfortable with numbers and aren't comfortable with shortcuts, and so this is a surefire way to enter your numbers in and get a correct answer. All right, so I am going to move over here to the calculator, to the shaky calculator. Okay, so I've got on, I'm going to clear the last work, open parenthesis, and then 433 times 10 raised to the negative third. So 10 raised to the negative third, and you see that little guy's still high up, so we're going to hit the right arrow to bring him down, and your calculator may not have to do that. Times 1 times 2.205. That's the end of the numerator stuff, so I'll close the parenthesis, hit divide, and open it back up for the denominator. That's going to be 1 times 1 times 10 raised to the positive 3, right-hand arrow to bring it down, times 1. Close parenthesis and enter. 9.55 times 10 to the negative 4. I could have had that set in normal notation instead, but let's stick with scientific. So I'm going back down here now. So that is 9.55 because it was 9.547 blah blah blah, and I need to stop right here and round the 4 up to 5 times 10 to the negative 4 pounds. The reason I needed to stop here was because we started out with 3 sig figs, and so we needed to end up with 3 sig figs. 3, 3. Okay, remember you can slow this down by going to the lower right hand corner and clicking on settings and altering the playback speed. See ya in the next video.